y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Alien palette. This is the first time I'm actually using this palette. I did just get it in my Jeffree Star mystery box, and I am so excited because I wanted to get this and I didn't know it was going to be discontinued, so I missed out and it sold out everywhere. You guys know the story, but now I finally have this palette. I'm so excited. I've never swatched it, and I really haven't seen anybody do eye looks with it. I just never personally looked it up. Usually when I watch people do eye looks, it's palettes that I already own so I can have inspiration, but I don't think I've ever seen anybody use this except for, I think Teresa's dead maybe? I'm not sure. This is going to be a really fun video because not only am I doing an eyeshadow look, but this is going to be a collaboration with Noelle. She is another YouTuber, and I'm going to let her introduce herself to you guys.
Hey guys, it's Noelle, just saying hi. These are the colors that Connor picked for me to create this look. I wanted to use this filter because I love how it makes the green pop, but I've got Throne and Abduction and all that good stuff. If you want to check out my video, she'll link it below for you, and I hope you enjoy her look. I know you're going to because it's really cute, and yeah, okay, bye!
Yes, we are doing a collab together, and what's really fun about this is we are both doing eyeshadow looks with this Alien palette, but here's the kicker. We're only allowed to do an eyeshadow look using 5 shades, and we picked each other's shades out. So a fun little combination that we have to make work and make a really fun eyeshadow look with. We thought this would be a really fun idea and a cool way to play with the palette for the first time, where we pick each other's shadows, and I don't know, it sounded really fun, and so we're doing it. So yes, you guys, when this video is over, go check her out. Link will be down below. Go watch the video with her playing with the palette. We're going to have 2 completely different looks, so you can have 2 looks for inspiration for your Alien palette, because a lot of you have this palette now and you guys don't know what to do with it because it is kind of a different color combo than normal. We got greens and neutrals and some darks, so I hope this inspires you to create some looks of your own with this palette, or even copy the looks that we are doing. And if you want, you can tag us if you upload them to Twitter or Instagram or whatever. It would be really fun if you did recreate a look. So if you've not already, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go subscribe to Noelle, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh man, I needed some more coffee. Hey y'all, and welcome to Connor Up Close. Here we have the Alien palette. Let's go ahead and give you a closer look so you can see what we're going to be working with. So I'm going to show you the 5 shades that she picked out for me to use. I have them written down so I won't forget. So the first shade that I have to use is the shade Pluto, which is this shade right here. Area 51, which very, very scary for me because I don't do dark purples, but we're going to make it work. It's going to be fun, and we got this, you guys. Then I have to use the shade Flying Saucer, Gravity, and Ghost OG. So it's definitely going to be a pretty dark look. I think we have this one in the bag. I think we can create something really, really beautiful using those shades. I'm going to swatch them on my arm or hand or something, and we're going to see exactly how we want to play this out. So here's the shades that I have to use, and I have to say, I think I can actually create a really cool look with this. So we have Pluto here, we have Flying Saucer, Gravity, Ghost OG, and what is this called? Area 51. So the color combination isn't actually as scary when you actually see it swatched together. So I think we have a look in mind. Actually, we don't. We're just gonna go for it. But I think I'm gonna do the purple on my lower lash line. Oh, you know what? Inspiration. I have an idea. I need tape. Not that much tape. We just wasted that. Is that even? Probably not. I swear, you guys, do not judge me. We're going into, I have a hair. We're going into Area 51 first. Just fall out. I'm telling you guys, I'm being very creative this go around, so I'm telling you, it's gonna be a cool look. At least that's what I think it'll look like. I hope this doesn't like, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm doing. Can you tell my eye shapes are completely different? This one's bigger, this one's smaller, which is why it always looked like I had a lazy eye when I would take pictures, but I just have a smaller eye on one side. You can't really tell, but when you're doing eyeshadow, you can totally tell. Also, I want you to know that I have never done anything like this in my entire life. This is just doing this is like the craziest I have ever done. Actually, my Ofra was the craziest one where I like did like purple in the like crease or something. That was the craziest eye look I've ever done. But this so far, just this is the craziest eye look I've ever done. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're just playing. See, that's what's great about Jeffree Star Cosmetics, because you can just be yourself, be creative, do whatever you want, be an alien, and you know what? Who cares? All that matters is you and what you think and not what others think. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So now that I have done this little number, I don't know what to do now. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to add all the other colors to this, because this is pretty wild. Like, I look like I have Batman on my eyes. Like, the Batman, like, they look like ears, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I look like Batman. I don't know why, but I look like Batman. I don't know what to do now. I just kind of like it like this. Like, I think I'm going to take Gravity and kind of run it in my crease some. Oh, you didn't even see what I was doing, did you? So this is what we got going on. I think it's a little too high, but you know, there's no going back now. I need a superhero name. Like, that's what the vibe is superhero. Like Batman, I'm telling you. Like, I feel like a superhero. I don't know. It's time to take Flying Saucer and put it on my eyes. I think I'm gonna like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Okay. I'm just gonna like add it on top of this purple, but like keep it here. That could be cool. Okay. This is kind of cool. I mean, I know this is like kind of harsh, but I want the purple to be like really sharp. Does that make any sense whatsoever? I don't know what to do with eyeliner. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. So this is the look now. And I have to use the shade Ghost OG. So I'm just going to take this shade and add it to my lower lash line to kind of darken up the purple. Now, I'm not sure if I want to like connect the purple with the green on the bottom lash line, or if I want to just make the purple all the way across, or maybe I should do the green. I'm not even sure. We're gonna do the green. I feel like we need a little bit more green on the bottom, so let's line it with Flying Saucer. Okay, you know what this look is starting to remind me of? As if I was like the wife of the Joker, like the way the colors are going. I feel like I was thinking superhero vibes and I didn't think about the fact that the Joker's in like the superhero movies, and I could be like the Joker's wife with these like this color combination. It's kind of like, you know, but more like the Jim Carrey Joker, you know, the question mark guy. I would rather be married to him out of all the Jokers. No, wait, Heath Ledger, if he was still alive, because he's so cute. Anyways, if I had to pick, probably Jim Carrey or Heath Ledger again, if I could, you know. Anyways, let's keep it going. The last shade that we have to use is Pluto. So I'm going to do a inner corner highlight with this shade. So the eye look is now complete. I used all 5 shades. So we have gotten that challenge, that task done. Now we just have to figure out what we're gonna do for eyeliner because I have no idea. But this look is actually kind of cool. Like, I have to film another video that's gonna be going up before this and you guys are gonna be like, you guys are gonna be confused, but anyways. So I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakery Lollipop liner and I'm gonna do like a wing. I'm very terrible at wings, but you know what? We're playing with this makeup today. It's very crazy. So let's just try and wing a liner and see how it goes. I'm not gonna do it all the way. I'm gonna do it like halfway. Now, is it the best wing in the state of Tennessee? Absolutely not. But it looks pretty good to me, especially because I don't really know what I'm doing. Can you even see the wing? I feel like it's not as big over on that side, but looks good enough. I'm gonna use this new Tarte thing that I got. It's not new, but it's new to me. And just use the pencil side and do my lower lash line. Liner is complete. I think it's time that we peel the tape off and fix anything that we need to fix. So let's just, I want to see what we have going on under the mask. Anyways. Oh, for the most part, the line's pretty straight, so I'm not gonna mess with it. We're just not. It's not that bad. I mean, it's kind of bad, but it's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad. Like, do we need to fix it? Nah, I'm not going anywhere. So, I mean, it looks pretty good for the video, so. Hi, how are ya? Call me Miss Joker. Now I'm going to throw on some of this Winky Lux mascara. It's actually so good. They sent this to me as PR, along with a bunch of other things. So if you want to see my very first PR box try on Winky Lux, I will have it linked down below. Go check it out. They actually have like really good products. Like, I didn't have any complaints, which is crazy because I always have a complaint. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and then put some fake lashes on, I think, because I think this look needs like some fake lashes, like 100%. So this is the completed look. I tried to actually clean this up over here, but I kept putting concealer over it and over it and over it, and it kept just looking the exact same. Same with over here, you know, where the dark patch was. I couldn't get it to stop, so ignore this and just admire this like really crazy cool look that I did, because this is like way out of my comfort zone with like the purple and like this like freaking flared out wing. Like, you know, I feel like if you saw me on the streets, you'd be like, I am not gonna mess with her. And I'd be like, honey, you're correct. Look at these wings. Don't mess with me. I will pull out my little Harry Potter wand and I will stupefy your booty. That was totally lame. I apologize. But you get what I mean. This look is like insane, totally crazy, but I actually really, really love it. And I'm so excited that I collabed with Noelle on on this, and she picked these shades, which is definitely out of my comfort zone, and it actually in the end worked out so well. I love the eye look like so much, so thank you for collabing with me on this, Noelle. Again, don't forget to go subscribe to her, go check her video out. She gets to do a look with the Alien palette, and she's doing it with the colors that I picked for her. So if you want to see what colors I picked for her to do and what outlook she's going to have with her colors, then go check out her video. Link down below. Go subscribe. Go send some love her way. This was very fun, and I really had a lot of fun doing this. Like, this is insane, and it looks good. So but anyways, that is it for this video. If you loved it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.